Introduction to Best Practices for AWS Amplify SSL Certificate. AWS Amplify is a development platform that helps you build, deploy, and manage scalable mobile and web applications. One crucial aspect of deploying an application on AWS Amplify is configuring an SSL certificate to ensure secure communication between the client and server. In this tutorial, we will cover the best practices for AWS Amplify SSL certificate. Step 1. Understanding SSL certificates. An SSL certificate is a digital certificate that verifies the identity of a website and encrypts the data transmitted between the client and server. AWS Amplify provides a free SSL certificate through AWS Certificate Manager, which can be easily integrated with your Amplify application. Step 2. Obtaining an SSL certificate. To obtain an SSL certificate, navigate to the AWS Certificate Manager and request a certificate. You can choose to request a public certificate or import an existing certificate. Follow the instructions to validate your domain ownership and obtain the certificate. Step 3. Configuring SSL certificate in AWS Amplify. Once you have obtained the SSL certificate, you need to configure it in AWS Amplify. Go to the Amplify console, select your application, and navigate to the Domain Management section. Click on the Add a Custom Domain button and follow the instructions to add your domain and configure the SSL certificate. Step 4. Verifying SSL certificate. After configuring the SSL certificate, verify that it is working correctly by accessing your application over HTTPS. You can check the certificate details by clicking on the lock icon in the address bar of your browser. Best practices for AWS Amplify SSL certificate. Use a trusted certificate authority to obtain your SSL certificate. Monitor your certificate expiration date and renew it before it expires. Use the AWS Certificate Manager to automate the certificate renewal process. Use HTTPS protocol to encrypt data transmitted between the client and server. Test your SSL certificate configuration to ensure it is working correctly. Conclusion. In conclusion, configuring an SSL certificate is an essential step in deploying a secure application on AWS Amplify. By following the best practices outlined in this tutorial, you can ensure that your application is secure and trusted by your users. Remember to obtain a trusted SSL certificate, configure it correctly, and verify its functionality to provide a secure experience for your users.